how to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without the backup. So first of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your WhatsApp application, and once you get to your WhatsApp, you need to make sure that you actually have the backup on. But if you didn't have the backup on and now your chats are deleted, what you should do and how you can access them. So the first way to do that is you can open up any of the contact or a group. After that, you can go to that media and links and documents. So here you will be able to find all of the media. Of course, I don't have a media in this group. You will get all the media that was sent in the group, and you will be able to find the images and the videos that you deleted from your phone, but they're still in the media of your WhatsApp. So this way you can actually download that media again. So that is the first way to get your media, your photos or videos that you deleted on WhatsApp. But again, if you have deleted the chat, then there will not be any media. So you have to keep that in mind. A second way you can do this, if you have logged in WhatsApp on your laptop or PC, then that actually helps you a lot to access your chats that you deleted on your phone. It will have the chats, the data, everything. Even if you didn't back up on your mobile phone, it will still have it on your laptop or PC. So you can log into WhatsApp on your desktop. And then there is another way. You can actually go to your settings. In your settings, you're going to scroll all the way to find your apps. And in your apps, you're going to select WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, you will be able to see the data, and you can see we also have some of the options such as the photos, we have camera access. So you need to make sure all of these are on, and this way you can actually directly get the photos and the media to your gallery. So it will be downloaded. Even if you had no backup, you will still be able to access it. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.